Okay, here we go. This is going to be Wayward's silver box, silver bonus box. Congratulations to Wayward. First timer. Second first timer we've had win. So, Wayward, I can either roll the die or you can pick out a box. So the boxes will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There were 12 of them. There's 5 left. Four, he says. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one right here. Correct? All right. Good luck. Wayward. Move this down a little bit. Here we go, buddy. Good luck. Okay, Florida fan. All right, here we go. Wayward's bonus box. Starting off pretty good. Nick Gordon. There you go. All right. Nick Gordon's your first one. Okay, there you go. Number 2. Cordero Patterson, 18 out of 94 from 5-star, 2-color patch, on-card auto, nice. And your third and final hit is going to be Jose Abreu out of 99 from National Treasures. Got the Cuba patch on there. Jose Abreu to 99. Cordero Patterson and a Nick Gordon. There you go. Congratulations, Wayward.